Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your YouTube Shorts off private or to change your YouTube Shorts visibility. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube Shorts or YouTube Studio. So from here, you will be able to manage your YouTube content. Then you can go to content and then you can also filter by shorts. So you can be able to find only the shorts or you can only see the shorts. So now all we need to do is just to go to the YouTube Shorts and basically we will need to start editing it. Either you can click on the YouTube Shorts, and as you can see, the visibility is as private or it can be anything. And now you will be needing to start editing your shorts. By clicking on the pencil icon, you will be taken to the edit video page. Or you can do it by clicking on the 3 point icon, and from there, you will need to click on edit video. Now, all we need to do is to search for the visibility of our YouTube Shorts. So from here, we can find it as the next option or the second option, and you will need just to click on it. So in your case, it will be private at the beginning, and now you can make it either public or unlisted. Public would make anyone be able to view your shorts, and for unlisted, it will be only the people who have the link are the one will be able to watch your YouTube Shorts. Basically, you choose the visibility that you would like, and also you can uh, publish it or schedule your visibility changing, and then you will need just to click on save. And I don't know to, so I'm just going to make it as unlisted. And basically, you will need just to click on save, and you will have your visibility that has been changed. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.